Hello friends. Hi. Now I came here to apply for the guest lecturer post for a AI assistant. So that is very hard. It is very hard. You can see I came here struggling a bit, very much. So I'm applying for every job that's possible. Even uh, it's a small amount or a small salary. But these places are amazing. Village places. Uh, I was applying for a AI assistant teacher. Uh, so I am trying my best. Oh, like ತುಂಬ struggles ಇದೆ. After certain age, unemployment, mid problems, mid journey, ಎಲ್ಲ nowadays ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Even small job also has a very much competition. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. But anyhow, I'm recording all the things, whatever I'm trying to get back into my life. So midway ನಾನು vlog ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm making a vlog. Please support me. I'm a new vlogger. So see the greenery bit. We'll have some relaxation in between. Life goes on, whatever it may be. We have to accept it, however it may be, until our last breath. We have to move on. We have to move on. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಪರಿಸರ, ಯಾರು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಚಿರ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ವೆರಿ ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Amazing place.